Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me today. It's that time again. I wish I could have a drum roll or something, but yes, it's that time again for me to bring you my monthly card kit. And obviously this one is for October. That is only, is it 3 days away now? I'm so excited. I absolutely love making these up. I love making the cards and trying to get as much as I can out of the products that I use so that you guys are getting value for money. My last month, or this month, September's, the one that I did with Joyous Noel, was an absolute hit, and I am so pleased because it is my favourite sweet, and hopefully the projects that I continue to make, whether it be cards or my videos, hopefully will inspire you to use some of the products that are in the kit to make the projects that I'm making. So I'm going to make it slightly different this month, and I'm going to show you the cards that I shall be making with the kit. It's so very exciting. So this is the first one. So as you can see, we've got some lovely vellum going on here. We've got a glittery Merry Christmas, and then some lovely pearls on our sprig punch, using again some of the gorgeous DSP. And if you hadn't guessed, because I've left my book, where is it, here, that it's actually Merry Christmas to All that I'm using, with a little bit of, I think, All Is Bright. It's a bit of a mixture of the two, but it is such a huge sweet that I think I could get away with it. So that's the first card. The second one is more of a simpler card, just a couple of layers here, real red, and then the DSP, and then the beautiful mixed satin ribbon, the gorgeous paper clips. They are just cute. And again, just a very simple sentiment on the front there. My favourite. I adore the Swirls and Curls embossing folder. Isn't it so pretty? I just love it. And then I've obviously done some heat embossing here with the sentiment, and then I've just stamped some of the little holly leaves and added some beautiful red rhinestones. There's also some of the gold metallic thread and some more of that gorgeous satin ribbon. There's a huge lorry reversing, why not? It always happens, doesn't it? And I've gone a little bit different this month. So I've got a lovely little 3x3 note card. Again, it's just to give you an idea of, you don't have to make standard sizes, you can make smaller ones. So again, we've got the paper clip, we've got some sequin trim and those beautiful red rhinestones. And then there's more. Oh my goodness, can you wait? I've made a couple of gift tags. So this one is very simple. Obviously Merry Happy, and then Christmas is just embossed with that cute little paper clip on the top again, and then sequin trim and ribbon across the top. And then this one, again, just a little bit of DSP, whoops, focus, come on, and then paper clip, sequin trim and beautiful ribbon. So yes, so you can make all of these out of your kit this month. So I'm sure you're itching to know, what do you actually get? Well, let me show you. I'll pop these over to one side. So we have a crumb cake base, a Whisper White base, a Call Me Clover base. These are the bits that don't fit in the box. Then we have a sheet of gold foil, 6x6, a 6x6 gold glimmer, and then 12 6x6 sheets, so the same as before. So you basically get 2 of each so that you can use the reverse side. Okay, so you're going to get all of the DSP, 6x6, 12 sheets, which are all here. I'm just trying to fan them out to show you, but that's all the DSP. And then in my little box, I'm going to call this my box of magic tricks, because I feel like a magician when I bring this all out. So look at all this coming out, oh my goodness. So you will get 4 of the paper clips, so 2 stars, 2 trees, 2 meters of this gorgeous gold metallic thread, 1 metre of mixed satin real red ribbon, 1 metre of mini gold sequin trim. You're going to get 8 of my 8 pearl gems and 30 real red rhinestones. You'll then get 3 normal sized envelopes and 1 3x3 envelope, your embossed layer, your red layer, your 3x3 card, and then you will get all of the dies and punched elements that you will need. So let me start at the back, it's easiest. So you will get a piece of garden green for this tag. You will get, let me move that to the front, 3 tags pre-cut. So obviously you've got 2 here, and the third one just in case you make a mistake when you're stamping or if you want to create your own. We have the lovely, there's too much going on here. We have the vellum and the real red punched out ready for this, along with your Merry die cut and your sprig punches, pardon me, it's Call Me Clover. You will get your shaded spruce and whisper white oval for this card. You will get your circle punch for your 3x3, and then your gold scalloped oval and white oval for this one. How amazing is that? A whole lot of goodies for all of this, and it's for £15. I'm really sorry for the people that would like my kits that don't live in the UK. Unfortunately, the postage is just so ridiculous that I can't really send them anywhere else because it just doesn't pay anybody to be paying silly money to post for these kits. But I'm sure there are plenty of people in these countries that do kits. Maybe you just need to ask around. So yes, it's £15, which obviously includes all of this that you see. Now normally I will have added the price of the stamp or things like that, but I've completely forgotten to do that because I'm a wally. So I'm just going to quickly grab my catalogue and probably my calculator because my maths seriously is very shocking. So if you want to buy the Merry Christmas to All stamp set and my kit, and I actually should be able to do this because it's very simple, the stamp set and my kit together would be £40, and that is inclusive of the postage and packaging. So it would be £40 if you want the stamp and the kit, £15 just for the stamp. Obviously if you want to add the embossing folder or the thinlets, then obviously you need to add the catalogue prices onto those as well. But as I said, this is a fabulous kit. I absolutely love it. I had so much fun making all of these projects. I hope you do. I hope you enjoy my kits. And I'm seriously having so much fun making these up that I just can't wait. Can't wait to do the next one. So that's my card kit for October. Let me know either via the contact form on my blog, or you can contact me via Facebook. I am also on Instagram, and there will be a Pinterest post as well, or plenty of, regarding this. So you can find me in many locations. You just need to have a look for Sally Stampers. Hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I hope that I can send plenty of these out to you. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye.